We have the 2012 Panini Playbook. There's the Panini shrink wrap. Have the barcode. Panini shrink wrap. And then we have the names in the randomizer. We have NFL Brown 3 times, Duckman once, ASHTRENTON twice, Shirts 26 once, Bill Racer once. We're going to randomize this 5 times. Here we go. First time. NFL Browns on top, ASHTRENTON on the bottom. Second time. Duckman on top, ASHTRENTON on the bottom. NFL Browns on top, Shirts on bottom. Shirt on top, ASHTRENTON on bottom. And fifth and final time, ASHTRENTON on top and Duckman on bottom. So now I have your draft order. ASHTRENTON you're picking first, so we have ASHTRENTON. He will have the NFC East for ASHTRENTON. Next we have NFL Browns with his pick. NFL Browns first pick was NFC West, that's still available, so we will have NFC West for NFL Browns. Next we have Bill Racer at number 3. He had AFC South first, that spot's still available, so he will get AFC South. We have Shirt at number 4. His first pick was NFC West, that spot is taken. Second spot NFC East, that is taken. NFC North was his third pick, that spot is still available, so he will get that one. Then we got ASHTRENTON again at 5. ASHTRENTON at 5. His second pick was NFC North, that one is taken. AFC South is taken. AFC West is still available, he will get that one. NFL Browns at 6 and 7. So he had NFC East, that is taken. AFC South is taken. AFC North is available, so he will get that one. AFC West is taken. AFC East is not taken, so he will get that one also. And Duckman, number 8 pick. His first one was NFC West taken. NFC South is his second pick, and that is available, so he will get that. So here we go. NFL Browns, NFC West, AFC North, AFC East. ASHTRENTON, NFC East, AFC West. Bill Racer, AFC South. Duckman, NFC South. And Shirts, NFC North. So let's make sure there's no duplicates. NFC West. That's good. AFC North is good. And I believe we are good to go. Okay, so here's the box again. We all have our teams. Set that camera up so you can see it. Again, okay, we are shrink wrap. There we go. All the cards in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 pack, 2 pack, that's a book, maybe another book, there may be 2 books in this one. So empty box, got our packs, maybe 2 books, so let's hope that's, so we'll open this one first. Here we go. First card. going to the Denver Broncos. Ronnie Hillman. Ronnie Hillman, Mammoth Patch. Number is 71 out of 75. Let's see if we can see the number. 71 of 75. Ronnie Hillman, Mammoth Patch. Our next card. Right here. Crack it open. For the New England Patriots, Brandon Bolden. Autograph of Brandon Bolden. Here we go. Nice hit for them. That is 60 of 140. 60 of 140. Now, we'll head on to our book. Like I said, it feels like we have two, so let's hope that. First book, Rookie Playbook. Here we are, Rookie Playbook. Looks like Stephen Hill. Stephen Hill on-card auto. Go deep for the New York Jets. That number is 42 of 99. 42 of 99. Good hit for the Jets. And our last card also feels like a book. So let's hope for some luck or some RG3. Here we go again. This is going to be Michael Floyd. Michael Floyd for the Arizona Cardinals. On-card auto records. And that is 5 of 5. That's a nice card. 5 of 5 on the Michael Floyd for the Arizona Cardinals. Very good hit. That was nice. We had 2 books in that one. And a nice 5 of 5 again. Here we are on that one. 5 of 5. Just a quick recap. We had that one. We also have Stephen Hill book. We had the New England Patriots, Brandon Bolden, and the Denver Broncos, Ronnie Hillman, Mammoth Patch. Thanks for joining, and I'll upload this soon.